Today's workout is a 5-minute no equipment workout. You can do this workout anywhere with no equipment. Our first exercise is a jumping jack. So you can do the normal jumping jack. You don't have to touch your toes if you're just starting. But right here, I'm doing a jumping jack and touching my toes. Each exercise is going to be for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, we're going to do a new exercise. There's no rest in between, so let's get going, fam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, you can jog on the spot for 30 seconds. Let's get the blood flowing to our legs and to our bodies. Let's get the body moving. Let's go, fam. Let's get it. Let's keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then next, you're going to do a lunge and a kick. So you're going to start on one foot. One lunge, back lunge, and a kick. You get up, you're going to kick. Just like that. Good job. Let's go. So we're going to do this again for 30 seconds. Good job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to switch to the other leg. Nice. Keep going. That's it, fam. Let's do it. Oh, we're ready. Let's go. Great job. Kick as high as you can. It's tough, but kick as high as you can. Make sure that you've got some balance. Don't fall on me. Let's go. You got this. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next up, we're going to do a combination of mountain climbers and push-ups. So you're going to do 6 mountain climbers, 3 on each leg, and a push-up. So you're going to do this for 30 seconds. Let's go, fam. You got this. Let's do those mountain climbers. Let's go. Raise those knees. Let's go. And a push-up. Let's go. Boom. Fantastic. Let's go, fam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to do a lunge. You don't really have to go hard on this one with the jumping, but you're going to be alternating your legs. Keep going, fam. Alternating. We're going to do this 30 seconds again. Let's go. It's just 30 seconds. Easy. It's light work. You got this. Great job. You're a champ. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So next we're going to do a modified side plank, just like I'm doing in the video. Boom. Nice. Let's work that core, get that stability. 30 seconds and then you're going to switch sides. Boom. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're doing a fantastic job, fam. Let's go. Let's keep going. You're crazy. Yep. Let's go. It can get hard, but let's go. Just keep holding yourself up. Yep. Nice. Just 30 seconds. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then next we're going to get into a push-up position. And then with the opposite hand, you're going to touch your opposite shoulder. Yeah, let's go. You're going to work your core. We're going to keep that core tight and work those shoulders. Let's go. Keep going just like that. 30 seconds, halfway there. Let's go, fam. You're doing a fantastic job. You're just holding yourself. Your shoulders are going to be burning after this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, you're going to do a squat and raise the roof as you get up. So you're going to go down, squat, raise your hands to the sky. Nice. Fantastic job. Fantastic. I'm sure you're feeling the pump by now. So fam, this is a perfect workout to start your day or to finish your day with. So it's quick, easy to do, make sure that you bookmark this video and subscribe. Now it's time to stretch, so check out this video.